Good morning, friends. Ready to start a new week together? I know I am. So, repeat after me. The month is January. Yesterday was January 10th, and happy birthday to Carolyn. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. I'm going to pull over January 11th. Let's write it out in our date 1, because it is the first month, January 11th, 2021. Oh, 2021. Let's write it out in words. January 11th, 2021. Today is the first day of our week together, so we will say today is Monday. If today is Monday, hop backwards to yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. If yesterday was Sunday and today is Monday, then tomorrow will be Tuesday. Last time I saw you, we had been at school for 58 days. 58 plus one more shows me that I have 5 groups of 10 and 9 ones, which makes 59 days of school. All right, let's make it in money. Remember, if we have 2 quarters, that's 50 cents, right? So 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. All right, new words. Make sure that you are able to read and write these. If that is hard for you, then it's letting us know that you need more practice. No, this is like you know something in your brain. No. Pull. Against. Full. Sure. Both. All right, let's make a temperature on our thermometer. I am right now halfway between 80 and 90. I'm warm today. Halfway between 80 and 90 is 85 degrees. Let's look at our clock again. I'm going to move our hour hand to the 4. I'm going to point our minute hand up to o'clock so that we know this time says 4 o'clock. All right, make it a great day, you guys.